Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my bachelor's from North Maharashtra University and today's date is 10 February 2022 and today's video topic is while loop, do while loop or for loop. When we using for loop, we can first use the conditions in for loop. When we using while loop, there are the condition between the while loop are is the number is less than or greater than. We can use in the for while and do while loop we can use condition. It is condition is less than equal to or greater than equal to. There are three types of condition. When we do not have any condition, the loop is given from this number to going to this number, we can use while loop. When we required any condition is exists first, it can be one time can be repeated, then we use do while loop, and after that the condition goes from number 0 to the given number when we use the for loop. In between three loops we can use increment and decrement also. First we see do while loop. When we write do first, given condition is given in the do loop, and after that the condition is executed. After that the iteration goes to while loop. When in do while loop the first execution is done if the condition is true or false. Because in do while loop we only give do parenthesis, and after that we can use the execution details, and after the in while loop we can use condition. The statement is check the condition, after that is going to that while loop and start iteration as per the condition is given. The condition is given to n is less than 3. It can be iterated for 3 times. The given condition is less than 5 or less than 10, or also number is greater than. It means the 5 we can iterate the condition from 5 to 10 also in the do while loop. When we using while loop, we know the condition. What is the condition? We can use the boolean in when we want to run that while loop in infinite condition. That time we use the boolean value. Boolean value is true, and when it's going to in the while loop, it number of times it can be repeat that statement or execution. After that we can use the for loop. We can use the for loop in for loop. We can use two for loop for 2D array. We can use for loop for pattern also, and we can use for loop for pattern as well as array in string also. This is the use of for loop. When the for loop is using, what is the syntax of the for loop? We can see, we can take a variable name as I. It starts from 0. When we using for loop, we can take a variable that starts from variable name. We can choose different types of variable I, J, K. When we using 3 for loops, we can use the different type of variables. First we see the first for loop. We can write only the I is equal to 0. I is less than what times can be I loop can be running its given condition. It means I less than 5, I less than a dot length. It means a dot length means array length. After that we can complete the for loop with increment, that is I plus plus. When we using the for loop, similar for loop we can taken below that for loop with different variable. It is used for 2D array, and when we want iterate again that for loop from the last number or given number, we can use third for loop, and after that we can use a simple condition in that for loop, which is if condition. Thank you.